Thank you for booking your health checkup. Remember to fast for 12 hours before your appointment. A representative will contact you soon to finalize the details. Have a great day with ABC Insurance.
Hey guys, I'm Ronit from Smallest, and in this video we'll take a look at how you can use AI voice agents to automate business processes. In this video we'll take a look at how you can do lead qualification for underwriting insurance policies. So we'll be creating an AI agent that will call the customer, screen them for personal and medical details, and help them set up a health checkup with a medical assistant. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Atoms. After you log in, you will come up to this page. Now I have a lot of agents right here, but let's go ahead and open the one I want, the insurance lead qualification agent. Now I've already made a script and I'm going to make this template available for you guys to check out as well. There'll be a link to a JSON file in the description below, which you can then upload onto Atoms and edit as per your needs. So let's go ahead and see how this script has been made. Alright, so the script starts with a greeting, introducing the agent as Deepthi from ABC Insurance and informing the user that this is a call for a pre-health checkup screening. The agent then goes ahead and asks the user whether they're speaking to so-and-so name. Now this is how I've inputted a variable into my script. I want to personalize the message. I want to check whether I am actually speaking to the customer. So that is why I've put name under curly brackets. Now, how does the agent know whose name to say? You can go back to your audiences, right? Here you have audiences, and let's say this is your audience list that you've uploaded. I am going to put a link to a tutorial on how to upload audiences as well. So do check that out. And so you can see the headers of all the clients that I have. And right here I have name. So I've just copied this, gone back to my script, and right here I've pasted that between two sets of curly brackets. So now whenever the agent calls that person, calls that number, they know what their name is or what their email ID is and the other variables that I had put in the Excel sheet. Now let's say you want to test this out even before calling your customers. You can hit the variables button right here. Under user variables you will see the name come up and you can add your name there. So I'm just going to put that, close that, and you'll see in the test call that I'll do, it will say, am I speaking to Ronit, right? And so then it goes ahead, continues the qualification call, starts asking questions like the name, date of birth. What you'll also notice is all these pieces of information are very important to underwrite your insurance policy. You cannot have your agent skipping any of these questions without an answer, without a definitive answer. So for all of these, right from the confirm name to the nicotine and alcohol consumption, I have gone in and switched on the loop condition. Now the loop condition ensures that until the agent gets this piece of information, it will not move to the next node. Now sometimes what happens is the prompt that we give in the branches is not enough for the agent to figure out whether or not to go to the next node. So we give it alternate responses, alternate acceptable responses in the branch description. So let's go ahead and see. Yes. Now in this node, I have asked the agent to inquire whether the customer has any pre-existing health conditions, and I've told it to go to the next branch once the user provides pre-existing health conditions. But sometimes the user does not have anything. So I've told it in the branch description, choose this route if the user has no pre-existing health conditions. Alternatively, like let's say when the user is telling us what kind of a relationship they have with the nominee, I have in detail shown them what all kinds of responses are allowed. And so once you're done with collecting all the information, I have asked the agent to get a date that the user is comfortable with for the health checkup, and then put a API call which goes ahead and checks for availability and sets up a health checkup with the user informs them about other things that they need to do, such as fasting for at least 12 hours before the health checkup, and then it cuts the call. All right, I think we're ready to do a test call. So I'm just going to hit the test flow button here, input my number, and hit send call.
Hi, this is Deep D from ABC Insurance calling about your pre-health checkup screening. Am I speaking to Ronit?
Yeah, speaking.
Thank you for taking my call. Before we begin, please note the information we collect will be used to process your insurance policy. The screening should take about 20 minutes of your time. Are you available to complete this now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. Could you please confirm your full name as it appears on your government ID?
Yes, it's Ronit Singh Soin.
Could you please share your date of birth?
Yep, that's January 19th, 1998.
I will need to know who you'd like to name as the nominee for your insurance policy. Could you please tell me their full name?
Yes, Gurmeet Singh.
Could you please tell me how Gurmeet Singh is related to you?
Yep, he's my father.
Thank you for those details. Before we proceed with your health screening, do you have any pre-existing health conditions we should be aware of, such as BP problems, cholesterol issues, or other medical conditions?
No, not at the moment.
Do you smoke or consume alcohol? If yes, how regularly do you engage in these habits?
No, I don't smoke or consume alcohol.
Thank you for completing your details. It's time to schedule your health checkup at home. What date would work best for you?
Can we do it tomorrow?
I apologize, but I need to schedule it at least 24 hours in advance for health checkups. Could you please provide another date that's at least 2 days from now?
Okay, let's go ahead with the 7th of April.
Perfect. I have scheduled the health checkup for April 7th, 2025. A health checkup executive will come to your home, checking your heart rate and taking blood and urine samples. Is that confirmed?
Yeah, let's go ahead with that.
Hello, are you still there?
Yes, let's go ahead with it.
Thank you for booking your health checkup. Remember to fast for 12 hours before your appointment. A representative will contact you soon to finalize the details. Have a great day with ABC Insurance.